Workshop Wednesday. At the end of the day, we damn near missed it. Sorry. It's not fresh Willie either. I'm sure the hair is all gill flirted. I've had my little cap on all day, and it messes up my hair. I'm going to get my wheels back soon. Maybe next week. I don't know. Maybe next week I'll get a haircut. It's all good. Look what I've been doing today. Oh, it's kind of brighter than that. It's a money clip. Yep, it's all steel, 4130. Kind of did a little forging project. It wasn't supposed to start out that way, but it ended up that way. And then I got me a that gum that's bright. Hold on. Yeah, and now maybe you can see it. Got me a concho on there, so that's all cool, engraving it up. Getting it all. Let me see if I can get a close-up of it. Oh yeah, there's some engraving going on. That's all fun. But anyhow, that's good. Y'all hear that racket over there?
Making all the noise.
Elijah is over there making a buckle. It's a cool buckle too. He's doing some relief and all kinds of cool business. So good on him for that. But yeah, I did a 10-minute talk a while ago on Patreon about this money clip and kind of the journey of doing it, and what I shared all of it, plan A all the way to plan Z where we ended up, but it was all fun. What else we got? Podcast this morning. Y'all heard the podcast? What did we do last week? It was good. Or this week? Oh, the lady, the Kata. That was pretty cool. I started following her stuff on Instagram. Man, she's pretty talented. That's kind of interesting. And then we got a really good guy next week that y'all enjoy. We recorded him this morning, and he's a lot of mental stuff, and he's Canadian Special Forces, and so you know, those people have my utmost total respect, and so we got into the mental game, not necessarily his past career, but just a little bit of it, and some of the you know, just attitude. That was a big topic, and mental strength, and you know, it don't matter where you're at, what you're doing. The mind can get in the way of a lot of different things, fears and all kinds of stuff. So that was a really good topic. I'm sitting here looking at my deal. So look at that drawing there. One on the left is probably the one we're going to do, but that's TCA next year. And so that's kind of cool. We're just kind of sitting there digesting it, looking at it, going, does that feel good? Does it not feel good? And I need to I got a lot more drawing going on, and away we went. Gold hit 27.80 something a troy ounce yesterday. So what's a troy ounce? There's 12 troy ounces in a pound. So 27, let's round down, 2750 times 12. That's still a lot. I don't care which way I round it. Gold is a lot per pound at the moment, but it's an all-time high. So it's all good. We'll get this election over with, and maybe everything can calm down and start progress and moving forward that way. Next week, Brumboss, Cowtown Collection. If y'all saw my post this morning, go look at the bit. You can get your invite. You can, it's $75 a ticket, and there's at the bottom of that first pick is the website where you can go get your tickets. And I'd love to see you if you're in the Fort Worth area. It's a great night, great evening of entertainment and helping out a good cause. I'm not sure who their charity is this year, but the proceeds of the show go to the charity, and so it's a good time. Shout out to Elizabeth Brumbaugh Court and Sally Brumbaugh. They do an incredible job. Their store is incredible. They deal with really, really nice furniture and people that appreciate that. So it fits right in my world, and everybody you'll see there, you see some really nice artwork. So that's a cool deal too. What else we got? I think the TCA show's coming down maybe next week too. So last minute ditch, if you're in Oklahoma City, go stop at the museum and see the TCA show. There's just some great work in there as always, and you know, it's always better to see it in person than it is on pictures. What else we kicking? I don't know. I talked about Patreon, talked about podcast. That's all good. So we'll see y'all next week. I won't have a haircut. No, not maybe. Who knows? That's all good. See y'all next week. Y'all have a good one. Adios.